Hello everyone, you are watching Code with Heather. Welcome to a new series in which we will learn about Jira. Now here's the thing, no matter what your role is, front-end developer, back-end developer, QA, project manager or even business analyst, having Jira knowledge is a must. Why? Because Jira is everywhere in the IT industry. If you don't know how to use it, you may struggle when you join a new company. In fact, interviewers often ask about Jira because they know how important it is. So here's what we will cover today. We will start with the basics, what is Jira and why we need it. Then we will see who should actually learn it, a quick history, different Jira products, where it is used in real life, its benefits, and finally I'll wrap up with what's coming in this video. So we will start with the basics. What is Jira? Jira is basically a project management tool. It brings all project tasks together in one place. It's not just for tracking tasks but also for bug issues and overall project health. For example, imagine you are building a website. So your homepage design task goes to the designer. Obviously, backend API task will go to the developer and testing goes to the QA team. Instead of remembering each and every task or writing them on the sticky notes, you create them on Jira. Now everyone knows who is doing what and when it should be done. Why do we need Jira? So in many companies, as I have mentioned, without Jira, teams rely on email, spreadsheets, or chat groups. In many companies, without Jira, teams still use emails, Excel sheets, sticky notes, or WhatsApp groups to manage tasks. The problem is tasks get lost, updates are missed, or no one has a clear picture of the progress. With Jira, everything is centralized. You initially see how the project is going, like who is working on what is pending, and what is completed. So let me give you an example here. If there's a bug, instead of messaging 5 people, you just create a bug ticket in Jira, assign it to the developer and track it easily. So this is why we need Jira. Our next slide is about who should learn Jira. So Jira is not limited to developers. It's not a developer thing or tool. Developers use it to track coding work. But on the other hand, QA or you can say testers use it for bug reporting. Managers use it for monitoring projects, and product owners use it to set priorities. Even non-tech teams like HR or marketing team can use Jira to manage campaigns or to keep a check on hiring process. Now we will move to the next slide about I think I lost it. Yeah, here it is. It is about the history of Jira. Like if you are using a tool, you should know about what's its history. So Jira was developed by Atlassian in 2002. Fun fact is that its name comes from Gojira word, the Japanese word that means Godzilla. At first, Jira was mainly a bug tracker. Over the years, it has grown into one of the most powerful project management tools used by thousands of teams worldwide. So viewers, Jira has multiple products. It's not only limited to the typical Jira we mainly use, like you can see this type of interfaces if you type Jira on Google. Jira is not just a single product. There are actually 3 products. Jira software, it is the most popular. Developer use it for agile methods like Scrum and Kanban. What is Scrum? What is Kanban? We will discuss it in the upcoming videos. But let me tell you one thing. I will try to keep the episodes as short as possible. So make sure not to miss anything because all these things will be important in the upcoming episode. So the second one is Jira Service Management. It is more like a help desk. IT teams use it to manage support tickets. And the third one is Jira Work Management. It is used for non-technical teams like HR or marketing. Since most of us are in software development, we will focus on Jira software in the series because this is the most important one to track projects and other things related to the project. So real life usage of Jira. Jira is very important. It is used by small IT teams, big IT teams. So, like companies like NASA, Toyota, or Spotify are using Jira. So this shows how powerful and flexible it is. It's not only for coding tasks. For example, HR teams, as we have discussed earlier, HR teams use it for tracking hiring process. Marketing teams can use it for campaigns, and sales can use it to manage leads. Our next topic is benefits of Jira. The biggest advantage of Jira is organization. Everyone in the team knows their roles and progress. Nothing is hidden to anyone. It also increases transparency. No hidden task. Everything is visible. It supports agile methods like Scrum and Kanban, as we have already discussed it. And in deep, we will look them in the coming videos. So on the top of that, Jira provides reports like burn down charts, velocity charts, and dashboards that make tracking much easier. It's really a very useful product. What we have done today and what we will see in the next video. So as far as we covered basics of Jira till now, like what it is and what's its importance, who uses it, its history, different products and benefits. So in the next video, we'll see how Jira works and workflow of Jira step by step, its workflow, and that how from the beginning, how tickets, how bugs are created, how we go through the project's processes and its progress. So it's a big thing that we will cover in the upcoming videos. So guys, that is it for today's episode. See you in the next episode. Take care.